From Tijuana, Mexico, Friday. Okay. I'm here with, you're supposed to say Barbara.
Barbara. Barbara.
And
Daniel.
you can't say that in a Spanish accent? Okay. Now, where did you guys come from? What part of the world?
Come from Bluffton, Ohio.
So that's a few thousand miles away.
Yes, it is.
What brought you down to Mexico?
We came to Mexico, actually, to start off with, we came to Mexico to visit our son, who has a ministry in the Baja, near La Misión in the Baja, and we came down to visit him. And originally, Barbara was not very well, and a friend of hers there in the Baja, some friends of our son, suggested we come to your clinic here to get checked out. And this is about 3 years ago.
Now, because this is unusual, taking charge of your health. Okay, because north of the border, you can get as many medications as you want. What have you experienced here? Because I know what we do is different.
Yeah. In the past, I did take various medications with multiple side effects and no relief. So there had to be something better. I did try local chiropractic without relief. So speaking and knowing what our parents were taking medication-wise and their health was actually deteriorating, we did not want to go that route.
So medication deficiency syndrome she did not see in her family. Okay, this is sarcasm. Okay, yeah, but I mean, it's nuts to give a toxic chemical to alter physiology, which is really an adaptation. So you've noticed some differences here.
My husband notices the difference.
Yeah, but buddy, happy wife, happy life.
Yeah.
Now, what kind of things were you experiencing that you could share? Okay, because there's so many people out there that are in that symptom drug protocol, and they're frustrated because they have the best doctor. By the way, nobody in the world has the third best doctor.
Yeah.
You know, I have the third best cardiologist. Not smart, but real handsome. No one's going to go to that guy. So what were you going through?
The initial thing was severe headaches. And as we chatted with you, probably related back to water skiing 35 years ago. And just the pain was just escalating. And then as we realized that my posture was leaning and I was forward and very fatigued, getting more and more fatigued, almost unable to work well and think straight. So when this friend suggested this, it was, why not? We've tried other things. And we did not want to do medication. So the result was, it was slow. It was not immediate. It took time. We started out here in Tijuana, and then we went to Huntington Beach for 2 weeks. Came back here because our children are here. But it's been a long process. It wasn't quick. But we've seen benefit.
That's the cool thing, because all healing takes time. And everybody's looking for a quick fix. But when you want to identify an injury that's 20, 30, even 40 years old, the neat thing is when there's no fusions, that means we got to thank your grandparents, your great-grandparents. They gave you some really good genes. Because when we see a trauma, sometimes there's so little motion there that the body ends up fusing that segment, and you didn't have that. I know, that's totally cool. That means you got lucky. You chose well.
Yeah.
I x-rayed my wife before I married her,
that's good.
I'm not that trusting. But now you're in Tijuana, and the government is trying to make everybody scared. Your family's down here. Did you have any trouble crossing the border or anything like that?
No trouble crossing other than the amount of traffic.
Yeah.
It would take us hours to cross if we cross at the wrong time.
Oh, yeah. That's like in Los Angeles. Mm-hmm. We're about 20 minutes away from downtown LA at 6 in the morning. At 9 in the morning, we're 2.5 hours away. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But with our son living in La Misión, I believe it's an hour drive. Not terribly congested.
Very cool. Very cool. And you just started, Daniel.
Yes, I just started today.
Okay, now, did you, what did you think of the process? Because we were pretty thorough.
Very good. the things that I hear and the things that you've had me go through test-wise have been revealing. I have a tinnitus problem, and I had seen a video of yours that said that you could take care of tinnitus.
What you can take care, there's about 3 or 4 causes of it, and we
Yeah.
can take care of 3 of them.
Okay, well,
Or
I'm
2
hoping
of them.
I'm hoping it's one of those.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I mean, if
So-
you've had a loud bang or a loud noise or consistent loud machinery noise, that can damage part of the cochlea, and that's really hard to repair. But toxicity, that can be one of the causes of it. That's why certain medical procedures, and some of those are actually forced on people, can lead to tinnitus. That's harder to correct, but it is possible. Yeah,
Good.
cool.
Looking forward to it.
And you've had the blood analysis, the thermography, everything.
Yes, I have. And the things that I have testing-wise, gone through very much helped me in understanding what the situation is. And I have a back issue too, so, and that I think will.
Yeah, now, what could you tell people out there? Because you've tried other things, it didn't work. You tried the medical route, it didn't work. So many people are stuck in that paradigm, okay, where they've abdicated authority over their own health, and they just said, okay, doctor, give me whatever you want, and that's ridiculous. What could you tell them to because I mean, in my view, the body is built in the image and likeness of God. It's intelligent, self-healing, and self-regulating. Okay, and so the body adapts and gives symptoms for a reason. I think to cover up those symptoms with a therapy or a chemical is insane.
I agree.
I mean, it's just, but I mean, this is
Yeah.
what we considered standard.
Yeah.
The thing that I would encourage people with is to, at the very least, try it. You have nothing to lose because you're not going to get worse. So try it. The other aspect that helped us a lot was the nutritional aspect. I thought we were eating pretty clean, but found out that we could do better. So I think that the nutritional aspect helped us, me in particular, with energy, cleansing. I did some dental things as far as getting rid of
Huge,
improper
huge.
fillings.
And in our nutrition report, we don't just talk about the nutrition. We talk about sleep pattern changes. We talk about reprogramming the subconscious. We talk about all of that stuff.
Yeah, the sleep was big because I was not sleeping well.
And sleep is when the body regenerates.
Right.
And that's why we're all sitting on a 3-legged stool: physical, chemical, emotional stress. And you got to address all 3 of those. Luckily, you're married, so there's no emotional stress. Shh. Okay, it takes so much courage to suggest a different pathway for people, because there's really a religion of medicine now, where they say trust the faith, trust no, man, science had better be evolving, otherwise that ain't science. Okay, you've got to be looking that your body is intelligent. Anybody that says your body is stupid and you need this chemical, why do you need it? Okay, if they say it runs in your family, name 5 family members that don't have it.
Yeah, we truly prayed about this. We really sought, spiritual guidance from our Lord. And it just seemed like each time we took a step, it was a confirmation that it was the right step.
That's cool.
So,
And
yeah.
that we talk about 5 keys to health: nerve, sleep, exercise, nutrition, and prayer. It works. Okay. God bless you. Thanks for sharing your story.
You're
Take
welcome.
charge of your health. Look in the mirror. When you guys look in the mirror, smile, because you're divine in nature.
Yes.
That's cool. God bless you.